Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and within this video I'm going to explain how to use a bellows. And I'm about 7 miles out from the trailhead, a lot further out than just 7 miles. But in the smoke's following me in the Smoky Mountains, and I want to show you how to use a bellows. So this is a bellows. You can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. But there's a big end and a small end. You want to blow through the big end. You can see there how things are starting to flame up. It's going to get down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit tonight, so having a hot fire is extremely important. So I'm going to move this wood around. You know, a teepee shape's always often good for getting things going, but once you establish a bed of hot ash, you want to get some of the ones that are burning on the bottom, and then the ones that need to catch, kind of drape them across. The problem today is that things are wet, so really with this bellows, if I didn't have it, I probably wouldn't have a fire at all. So yeah, you got to come prepared. And these things are cheap. Again, you know, check the link within this video's description. Speaking of bellows, need to give a shout out to Hillbilly Trail Mix. Hillbilly Trail Mix, because, wait, Redneck Trail Mix or Hillbilly? I think it's Hillbilly Trail Mix. His channel on YouTube, I ran into him in the Savage Gulf, and he turned me on to the bellows. But the thing is, you don't want to, you know, you can sit here, you can watch for your big things to catch. But as the fire needs more oxygen to get going, you know, blow on it. Shift your wood around, add some smaller wood in there. I mean, when it's wet, things are hard to get going. But once you have enough small things going and you've established that bed of hot ash, you should be pretty good. See, I need some more smaller stuff underneath, so I'm going to go gather some of that. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Iric Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.